Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. So I'm sitting here in my pajamas and waiting for packages to arrive because unfortunately the mail service is a little behind in their game this year and delivering packages that I hope arrive before Friday. Crazy. They're all supposed to, and I ordered everything well in advance. It's just hard to tell when they're super busy right now because most people are ordering online due to the pandemic. But I did receive my December Elle Studio kit, and I thought I'd share it with you. So just real quickly, so I'm going to share that, and then I'll kind of give you an overview of what you can expect next week with my December daily, because I'm hoping to get a lot of it done while I'm on Christmas break, and my break starts on Tuesday, so my last day of class is Monday. So but the first card is on this day in December, which is pretty standard. You get one of those every month. This kit is geared toward like Project Life, which I don't do, but you can use it with your regular scrapbooking too. It's just more geared toward pocket scrapbooking, and I love pocket scrapbooking. It's fun. If you do pocket scrapbooking, I highly recommend you check out Froggy 251. I think it's 251, something like that, on YouTube, because she's my favorite when it comes to pocket scrapbooking pages. I think it's 251. Not for sure, but she spells it Froggie. And if you type in, like, in the search, like Froggy and then a number 2, like that, it'll pop up. I know it'll pop up, but there's this pretty star one. I'm guessing that most of these are going to be holiday themed. So, let's see here. We have a to-do list. Don't mind my dusty floors. I need to steam mop them today. Evidence of winter. Pretty. We have 2 dogs and 2 cats, and the amount of hair that gets on our floors is ridiculous. It's an everyday chore that is just never ending. They shed so much. It's insane. This one says rest and relax, which I hope to do once break starts. Traditions, gather together, happiness and cheer, twinkle lights, surrounded by magic. So we're gonna do 3 Christmases this year, as because it's just not feasible for all of us to get together at one time. We are doing Christmas Eve with my in-laws, and we're doing Christmas morning with just our immediate family. And then, so there's 3 of the in-laws that we'll do Christmas Eve with, and that's kind of a traditional thing that we always do on Christmas Eve, because my father-in-law passed away several years ago, and so it's just my mother-in-law. But my husband has a brother that is mentally disabled, and so he lives with her, and he is 50. And then her brother, who is also mentally disabled, lives with her, and he is close to 70. So we decided to do the Christmas Eve thing many years ago, just because they cannot handle the kids getting a bunch of gifts. They don't understand. They don't understand why the kids get more presents than they do. And because they think that they're kids. And still, they don't understand that they're adults. And so, and they just don't need toys or, I mean, the kids probably don't need all that many toys. And we don't give, I mean, our kids are teenagers now, so but we do buy more for them because they're our kids. And we usually buy the other guys a couple gifts, usually things they need, like clothes or a wallet or whatever. But they had a very difficult time understanding why the younger kids were getting a lot of stuff and they weren't getting. So we decided a long time ago that it's best to separate the Christmases because there just was a lot of like fit throwing, and it's difficult. If you have special needs people in your family, you understand that they just don't understand things the way that other people do, and you kind of got to work around like what is most manageable for your family. So we started doing that, and so that's their Christmas, and then we'll have our Christmas with our immediate family on Christmas morning. And then our oldest son is flying in the day after Christmas, and so then my parents are coming up, and then and on the 27th we'll have another family Christmas with just our immediate family and the four of them. And then my sister and her family went up to Wisconsin to visit her husband's family, and they are planning to stop here on their way back for a little bit, and we'll probably do another Christmas with them. So actually that's 4 Christmases, but it breaks it up, and it's kind of fun that we can just, make it last a little bit longer. And then you don't have a big group of people in your house either. So, the most that we'll have in our house at any time is 6 people, I think, or 6 or 7 people. So it won't be too bad. This card says 2020 favorites. This would be a really good one to use in my December daily. I think I'm going to use this card in my December daily when I started. I don't know if anyone else is like feeling like, usually I'm really excited to start my December daily and document everything, and I have been taking pictures every day to put in my December daily, but I'm not feeling it this year. This year has just literally sucked. I mean, in so many ways. I mean, not only COVID, just family crap, and it just has sucked. And it's like, I do not even emotionally feel like I want to create one, but I know that I want to document this year just because it's a really weird year, and I don't know what next year is going to hold for us. So, yeah. So I'm kind of torn. Like, I want to do it, but I'm not looking forward to doing it. I just am not feeling it this year, but I'm just curious if other people are feeling that way too, because this year has just really sucked in more ways than one. So, this is a really pretty card that would look really nice in my December daily as well. And a cute gray and white heart, or gray hearts on white. Oh, this is cute. A Christmas tree. That'll probably go in my December daily. Something fun and new. And these are like the die cuts that you can punch out. Holiday break, Happy New Year, a December to remember. So these are probably very synonymous to this year. I cannot wait I think I'm going to take a picture of like on the first day of my break, and just like when I submit my last assignment before the new year, because I have needed this Christmas break so bad. I've been like counting down the days. I'm just tired. I do not get a break. Like, I do not get a summer break or anything. It's just like bam, bam, bam all year long. And the only break that I really get is one day off for like holidays such as like July 4th or Thanksgiving. But like, that's it. And I mean, assignments are still due. You just get an extra day. But like Christmas break, we get 2 weeks off, and it's just like, just having 2 weeks where I don't have to think about school is just ridiculous. And I'm so looking forward to it. So this is just really pretty stars, and you could cut these stars out if you wanted to, if you didn't want to use it in card form, which I don't know if I'll do that or not, but. Okay, so this is another die cut sheet punch outs. Magic, Joy, Smile, Bah Humbug, Blank Days Left Till Christmas, Homemade with Love. So those will definitely be used in my December daily. And what does this one say? This is a larger card. It says, pause and reflect 2020, the best part, the toughest part, what I want to remember most. And here's another larger card. It's just green and white dot. That's actually really pretty. I really like the colors. One reason why I keep this subscription is because it's very inexpensive. It's like, I think I pay $11 a month. It's not very expensive at all, and that includes the shipping. And they just send it out every month. But other than that, their colors are very vibrant. And I just really, really enjoy it. It's like a little... Sorry, I had to cut my video short. I got a phone call from the pharmacy. One of my prescriptions was starting to run out, and it needed to be refilled, and they needed doctor's authorization. I was just... So, they had called back, and I had to get that figured out. But this card is just a stripe, which is really cute. It could be just used, kind of reminds me of winter. And another gold with white star. The best part of winter. So some of these could be used in January too. Family fun. This is definitely Christmas. Fa la 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 la. That's pretty. So that's like a washi tape look, but it's really cute. And then this one where you can like make a list. That would be cute to like list the movies that you watched or your favorite movies. Special delivery, like packages. I don't know that I've taken any pictures of the packages as they came in. I need to do that. I don't really have that many packages left to come in, and I usually wrap them as soon as they get here so no one sees them. But, dang. But if I get something in the mail, maybe I'll use that card. So, and that's it. Hello. So anyways, what was I going to say? I was going to tell you about December Daily. Yeah, I plan to get started on that sometime this week. Hopefully Tuesday. Well, Tuesday I'm supposed to go to a friend's house, so maybe Wednesday I'll get started on it. But I already printed out half of my photos. I at Walmart, and I need to send some more to Walmart. Generally what I do is I create the pages and then I will add the pictures after, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it this year, honestly. But anyway, I thank you all for watching. I hope this video isn't too long, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. And yeah, check back in a few days. Yeah, I'm sorry I've been MIA. I know I said that I was gonna do like a page kit thing, but school has just been chaotic and crazy and busy, and life has been busy and so many things. Yeah, so I will try to be more present in the near future. But y'all take care. Bye.